Guys, in this video we will see how to fix any type of Windows 11 and 10 problems. If you are facing various type of error code, various type of apps not working, then here are the various type of fixes you may apply in first instance. And the first one is right click on start button and choose settings. This is the initial workaround you may apply for any of the problems. Go to system from the left side, thereafter go to right side and look for the option troubleshoot. This is an inbuilt tool of Windows 11 and 10 system. You may apply for any Windows related issues. Choose other troubleshooters and here you will find a lot of frequent, most frequent troubleshoot, audio troubleshoot, network and internet troubleshoot, printer troubleshoot, Windows update troubleshoot and other troubleshooters, background intelligent transfer service troubleshoot, Bluetooth troubleshoot. Simply click on run against each and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. Camera troubleshooters, program compatibility troubleshooters, video playback troubleshoot. If you have any problems related to apps, run program compatibility troubleshoot. If you have any problem regarding video playback, run video playback troubleshoot, Windows media player troubleshoot. So this is an Windows inbuilt tool, most important tool of Windows 11 and 10 system. If you have any issues, first run this troubleshoot on your system. The second one is there may be a storage issue on your system, so disk cleanup. Go to Windows search and type disk cleanup. Open disk cleanup app. Here select the drive you want to clean up. Choose the drive where your program files exists. Mostly C drive. Click on OK and a new window will open. Disk cleanup for Windows C. Make the checks against all those options. Files to delete, temporary files, DirectX, shader caches, delivery optimization files, recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails, such as. And finally, click on OK and a new pop-up window will appear. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on delete files. It will not only release extra space for your system, also delete all the temporary files, caches, cookies and sites data from your Windows system and helpful to fix various type of issues of your system. The next one is again go to settings, right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates. Outdated OS may be a cause of various type of issue appear in your screen, so you must update your operating system. Click on check for updates and if any update available, simply download and install it in your system. Thereafter scroll down and you will find the option advanced options. Click on it and scroll down and you will find optional updates under additional options. And here if you find any optional update, driver update available, simply download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated driver or outdated operating system may be a cause of your PC not working properly. The next one is right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run dialog box and here type msconfig, msconfig. Click on OK. It will open system configuration windows in your Windows 11 and 10 system. Here from the top menu bar, go to services. This process is called clean boot your system. Make the check against option hide all Microsoft services and finally click on disable all from the bottom right corner. Thereafter go to a startup tabs from the top menu bar. Click on a startup tab and open task manager. And here the startup tabs in task manager open. Here look for any startup apps enabled in your system. Manually disable it. Look for enabled startup app. Simply right click on it, Right click on enabled startup apps and choose disable. Apply this process for all your startup apps enabled in your system. This process is called clean boot your system. Finally, close the windows and finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. The next one is scanning your system. Viruses may affect your system performance. So go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator. Command prompt Windows will now open and here execute first these three DISM tool one by one followed by enter key on each time. Execute all these three DISM tool, DISM scan health, DISM check health and DISM restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows, and it will take some times, wait for some times, and once successfully execution of these three DISM tool, execute the command sfc scan now. Sfc slash scan now and press enter. It will scan your computer for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. This will scan your system and any corrupted files found, then it will repair accordingly. After that, the one more scanning process is right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to privacy and security, click on it. Thereafter, go to right side and choose Windows security. Click on it. Here choose virus and threat protection. Click on it. A new window will open. Here you will find scan options. Choose the scan options. And here you will find four options: quick scan, full scan, customized scan and Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan. Here you will have to choose full scan. Full scan your system for any virus attack and finally choose a scan now. Let the window complete the scanning process, and this is the important Microsoft Windows tools to scan your system. The next one is right click on a start button and choose run. Again, you may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch Run dialog box and open Run dialog box. Here type RSTRUY. If your problem starts after installing any updates or any other feature changes to your system, then restore your system to previous stage. Restore system files and settings. System restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. So click on next. Click on next, and here restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Choose a restoration point. If you want to create another restoration point, then you may proceed in my channel how to create a restore point. And finally select it and choose next. And finally confirm your restoration point. Click on finish. It will bring back to your system for the previously state where there was no problem. And the next one is again go to Windows settings, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side go to system settings, and here from the right side go to recovery. Click on recovery of settings. Here scroll down and you will find the option reset this PC. If none of the above workaround fix your issue, then resetting PC you can apply. So click on reset PC and here choose an option keep my files, removes apps and settings but keep your files. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process. Click on next. It will reset your system. If none of the any workaround fix your issues, then reset your PC. That's all.